little monkeys jumped with glee, swinging and bouncing in the tree. Mama called out, "Hold on tight!" One slipped down, what a sight! Four little monkeys laughed and spun, climbing branches just for fun. Mama said, "Please be aware, down fell one, now three are there." Three little monkeys swayed up high, tickling leaves that brushed the sky. Mama called, "It's time to see." Back they came, now only two. Two little monkeys jumped around, rustling leaves without a sound. Mama waved from down below, one slid down, one left to go. One